What is up, guys? hackGaming here, and today's video is going to be a Minecraft tutorial on how to build one of these simplest little automatic farmers you can have, guys. This is working for sugarcane, bamboo, and anything that grows in a vertical, in a 1x1, maybe a 1x2, depending on how you can do it. But this has been the easiest thing for me to ever build, and I am not the best at redstone, but I hope this video can help. Right now I have my tick speed set to 1,000, so that's why it's growing rapidly. So yeah, let's just hop right into this, guys, and you can make this super simply with this chest right over here. So all this is gonna need is sand, piston, an observer, redstone, hopper, of course bamboo is what I'm using for this one, chest, some glass, planks, bone meal, and water. The bone meal and water are really just for you to add if you're really feeling necessary. You don't really have to. And as you guys can see over here, you can make this fancier to collect more, like this one, or you can make it bigger, collect way more. Like this is working very, very fast. You guys are seeing immediate results. This one, for some reason, is stalling. So like we'll break that and just fix that problem. I don't know why it's having that problem, but as you guys can see, this one's not. So let's just get right into building it. So what you guys want is a nice area. We're going to make it as small as possible to show. So we're going to put dig chest like this. I want these hoppers to be leading in. Okay. Crouch, put like that, right there, there, and this one is going to be where you are actually putting your bamboo. So it's going to go on there, guys. I'm not going to put it on there yet, but we will be. You want to go up, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, okay. And on the back here is where the redstone part comes in. So you want to build up, done. You guys can break that or keep that. I think it looks better with it. But I mean, if you guys can look at this one right here, I broke it. And this is a completely bare bone. So you guys can actually see what it looks like. Right here is it kind of fully built, what it looks like. But you want to make like this little cocoon around it so that all of the bamboo that gets broke gets shoved right into there, falls right down, right into the hopper. Alright, so we're going to also take these, go all the way up with it, so we're not experiencing any loss. Now that we have it up, we're going to put that right there. And the reason this is right here is because we don't want to break this base one. We do want to break number 2, which will keep it from growing too high and just stopping it right where we need it. Alright, now we're going to set this right here, block that off, boom, having it so the red dot is facing the back of the piston. Take your oak wood planks or whatever your building material block is, put that right there with a line of redstone, and let's see if I can get a good angle. When you break this, you notice that the piston also extends, which is super nice. Boom, broke it again, piston extends. Okay. Now we just take this, place it down, starts growing, starts shooting in, and of course you are going to experience some loss with it falling right there on that block, but it shouldn't be too much of a problem, guys. With it growing so rapidly, especially if you're using bamboo, you can always just block it in, and it helps with a lot of the problems of loss. So far I haven't figured out a solution to fix this where it falls onto here, but maybe somebody can, and let us know in the description. Not in the description, but in the, the comments. But definitely, guys, I'll try to figure that out as soon as possible. But even just for the small 10 seconds that we were there, it's already at 20, and from being in there, I was collecting tons and tons and tons and tons. So let's go check on this other one. This one has been constantly producing them like crazy. Let's see what we're at just by going by it. Let's try. I can't. Okay, this one has had this problem of everything falling on top. See where we're at? We're at a couple 64 packs. And let's go check on our monster right here, guys. This one, you are losing quite a bit, but I feel like we could fix that with a couple of powered rails and a minecart. Let's go check how much. Well, we have almost filled up a full chest, and look at that, guys. It is just pouring in at this point. I mean, a constant stream of bamboo, which is super cool, guys, because that helps you. Let's see. Oh, that's right. It's absolutely, I don't even know why I did that. But guys, I hope this video has been incredibly informative. It shouldn't change anything. I mean, if you guys really look, it shows you exactly which one is firing. And since you have them all linked up together, no matter where the other one is, they all fire at the exact same time. And you could do this so you lose a lot less and you farm a lot more. And I can show you that method right now. So that one, you would need, what am I doing? I don't even know where I'm trying to start. So we'll make a 3x3, so one on the side, 1, 2, 3, and right there. I just cleared my entire hotbar. It's all good. All right, now that we have that, we need to go grab some sand. I'm already past the sand. I don't know why they put the sand in the worst spot. I know I'm past it again. Where is the sand? Okay, never mind. We're gonna need observers, hoppers, piston, redstone dust. The moment I can find it, some sand. Right there. We're gonna go 1, 2, 3. Dig out these 3 blocks. And this is important. We also need a chest. Where'd they go? Where'd they go? Regular chest. Place it right there. As always, behind it. Come this way. There, now when we throw something, it goes all the way through, comes out to the front, right there. Alrighty, now we're going to be putting a piece of wood right over this front one so that nothing accidentally goes into this one, and it keeps the nice shape of it. Over here in the back, we're going to go up one like that, right there, break off that one. Boom, boom, boom. Push up, up. We will make our front one right here. Our middle guy, so that all the redstone, but all the pistons fire off of what this guy says. As you guys can see, that all shoots out at the same time. Now let's grab some glass and some bamboo, because bamboo just happens to be what we're using in this episode. Alrighty, we're almost done. Before I forget, where is it? Since we are done with the redstone aspect of it, we need to get the water. Take your water, pour it into each individual section. This doesn't really help the water. It's not necessary because of what we are using to plant. It's not a crop that needs it. But look, we're going to put all of that right there. If we put one in the middle, let's put this block on. You can watch as it only cuts down after the middle one hits the observer and sets off the rest of the system. This is a super nice system, guys. It's super easy to use, and it doesn't really require a lot of redstone knowledge, and it's very tiny, as you guys know. You can put it in a smaller 1x1 type situation, or in this one, it's a 1x3. 1x3x4. Guys, this is super small, and you can fit it into almost any Minecraft house available. So leave a like if this video helped you guys in any way, shape, or form. Leave a comment suggesting more tutorial, because I would love to do more. And yeah, guys, don't forget to just like and comment. Wow, we are actually full on that one. Don't forget to just like and comment, show some love, guys. And I'm also going to try to be more active as with videos and live streams, because I know you guys love the live streams, but videos are still cool, so you guys can go back on it. And I hope this one really helps you guys, because this is kind of like the first tutorial on something to build that I've made. So yeah, just kind of leave a positive note. I do have something coming out with a man on YouTube, and I'm super excited about that, because it is something to do with my Switch, and something that I had the chance to create, and I hope you guys really like it. And whenever I get it, I will showcase it, and give you guys the rest of the sneak peeks. But thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.